What is going on, Scream Squad? It is me, your boy Scream Reactions, and I am back with another YouTube video, y'all. Today, we will be reacting to Mystery Box by Alter. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and if you haven't checked out my other videos on my channel, y'all, make sure you guys go do that now. Without further ado, let's hop straight into the video on Gang. Or would that be out there in the lake, the ocean, or wherever you at? Could be some treasure. But if it's locked like that, ain't no way I'm hopping into it. Oh shit. Do not go and investigate. Please don't. Oh shit. Leave it out there.
Hallå?
Leave it out there. Yes, go back. That's right.
Det är inte roligt längre.
I don't think it's anyone, shorty. Go ahead and open it up. I know you're curious. Go ahead. back in the ocean. Ain't no fucking way. How'd that key get? I don't want. We're gonna leave it at that. I ain't even gonna ask. Was it from the fish he ate? Was it from the fish he ate? Who knows? Yeah, no choice but to open it now. You have no choice. Be crazy if you want to. No, go ahead. Go ahead. Take the chains off. Go ahead. Being curious as you is. Okay, now. Okay. Hey, don't do it. Hey, I'm telling you. We ain't gonna start. Hearing doors trying to open up. You feel me? We're gonna cut this short. Stop it. You telling me someone gonna fit? You standing there. Ain't no way I'm standing there. We need to go to the dentist. Get them teeth fixed. The fuck? Hey, she wanted to play search and find. You feel me? She got what she got. But I give it to her. She tried her best to try to get away from it, but it wasn't happening. You feel me? Like, she should have just threw it back into the water. Whatever that thing was, needed the teeth and everything fixed. Ain't no way. If I'm seeing feet and everything come out of a small box like that, I'm telling you, you can have the whole house too. Hey, everything's yours. Hey, this is my eviction notice. I'm out. Hey, I'm out. Cause ain't no way you gonna come out of a box and then you gonna try to put me into a box. No way, bucko. You'll be making plates in Pelican Bay. Okay? I hope you guys have a blessed day. You know I will. Sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified so you don't miss out on any other videos I upload. That being said, y'all, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.